So hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review the Dane Fyre heated gloves that I'm wearing in this video. So I'm gonna talk about what kind of gloves these are, what makes them special compared to other gloves. Since these gloves are battery powered, I'm also gonna talk about how long and what temperature do these batteries last. So these are the Dane Fyre heated gloves. They're from Motoport. They're the ones who sell them. They're, I think, the only ones who sell them. The thing that makes these gloves special is the fact that they are prepared with Gore-Tex. It's the first heated glove in the world that has this, or at least they market with that. And also the power possibilities are battery and via a cable to your motorcycle battery. These gloves can operate on three stages, three heating options. So the first one is green, that's 40 degrees Celsius. Then a little warmer is amber, which is 50 degrees Celsius. And then there's red, which is 60 degrees Celsius. So like mentioned before, the gloves can operate with batteries, two batteries, one in each glove. They fit inside the glove, so that's nice. You don't need the cable running anywhere. You just put the battery inside the glove, and the batteries last about 2 to 4 hours depending on which option you use. With the green option, the batteries last 4 hours. The amber option, the batteries last 3 hours, and the red option, the batteries last 2 hours. So these gloves have a pretty decent feel to it, feel pretty premium, and that's one of the things you should expect from gloves in this price range, of course. Right here in this video it is -3 degrees Celsius, and I'm using them without my heated grips and without any hand guards. It felt pretty warm, but when riding on 100 kilometers an hour, my fingertips still got cold. That's one of the reasons why I say when you're riding around in -degrees Celsius, I would highly recommend to use hand guards and heated grips just to back it up. So the hand guards will function to keep the wind off your hands, and the heated grips will back up the gloves by heating your inner hand. Your gloves will still lose heat to the environment. So yeah, just to back up the gloves, it's recommended, or at least I will recommend, to still use your heated grips. What do they cost? Well, the gloves are about 350 euros with the batteries, so then you get gloves plus the batteries and of course the charger for the batteries. Then there's the battery cable set, which is 39 euros, and then there's the cost of a battery pack in case you want a second pair of batteries. That will cost you about 50 euros. So since I bought these gloves, I only wore them once. Why did I only wear them once? It is because since the weekend that I bought them, it started to heat up again. Today, the day that I'm doing this voiceover, it's 15 degrees Celsius outside. So in 1 week I needed all three gloves I have. I needed my winter, which are these. Then I needed my rain gloves because it was raining a little, and then today I needed my summer gloves because it's 15 degrees Celsius outside. So would I recommend these gloves over other heated gloves? Well, these are the only ones I've tried. There are many different brands, and it really depends on the shape of your hand and that kind of stuff if the gloves are for you. Just keep in mind, like I mentioned before, if you are riding in -degrees Celsius, please get hand guards, because that keeps the wind off your hand and that keeps it comfortable and warm without any issues. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, recommendations, that kind of stuff, leave that in the comments, and I hope to provide you with more content in the future.